All right, guys. See if I can find some good cars to show you guys. Flip this thing around real quick. It's kind of crazy to see like the old school style wheels on the Tesla. Fitness on point though. 370. I've always loved this body style Civic. My boy got the carbon trunk, carbon wing. Fitness crazy. Crazy bag setup in there. Showed you guys this Mustang before. I don't know if I showed y'all the trunk. It's just a Infinity on the works. RC is wild. I don't know how I feel about it, but my man did everything he could to it. I've showed you guys this vet before. She says the cage is carbon, that's wild. Interior super clean. Ooh.
Donate by texting get screen to 707070.
Red interior. Okay.
So what you gonna miss this? Once again, if you want to donate to the American Cancer Fund,
The Subi on the works. Little Corolla going crazy. The chrome on the black that's really, really nice. I like the red accents on the interior. Cool. I'm a fan of that. The Merc. I don't know much about Mercedes, but I really like this. Check this out. Peanut butter and BBS's though. Love the blue on this BMW. Love the wheels. Got the Recaros in there. That's sweet. Evo's pretty clean. Could go a little lower, but driver's discretion. I like that carbon lip with the blue stripe on the front. I get the feeling it's not a GTR, but it's sweet though. This little Miata is crazy. I don't know if I can pick up the glitter in the paint. This thing is tiny. A lot easier to shoot. I'm a fan of the blue seats. Pop the wheel off. What is that, sequential? That's wild. See the Z everywhere. Clean. Lexus, also clean. Carbon everywhere. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Is that a S4? A Burrs? Or no, Toyota Furs? This Civic is actually really well done. Somewhere in there is a hidden turbo. Looks like she's on bags. Love the ground lights. Almost picked some of those up for the Supra. Little ACK NSX. Kind of like what's happening under the exhaust there. Rays, of course. Carbon, of course. Titanium, of course. Carbon, okay. Wow, it smells really good in there. Sweet. Chocolate Mustang though. Fitment is wild. Old school VIP boys. Evo's pretty cool. Had to come check out the Spoon Civic though. The blue Lomaxes, the carbon on the dash. Look how simplistic the gauge is. The dash is, that's sweet. Got the GAT sticker on there. We'll be there this year. That's it right there. Wheels. Oh, man. Yeah, that's nice.